Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare this delicious raspberry cheesecake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let us bake. Here I have all the ingredients for my raspberry cheesecake. There I have 500 grams of cream cheese, which is 250 each. I also have 5 ounces of cornstarch. I have 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I have 3 tablespoons of rum, or you can use wine, and that's just to cut the rawness from the eggs. I also have 7 whole eggs and 1 cup of granulated sugar. And our raspberry for garnishing, of course. Now moving over guys to our base. Now before we make the batter, the cheesecake batter, I'm gonna be making the cheesecake base, which is a graham cracker base. This is optional, so you guys really don't have to do this. So to make the base, I'm just mixing graham cracker crumb with melted butter in a medium bowl, and I'm just going to mix that until it's well combined. Now you want to press onto the bottom of your prepared pan to make a packed crust. Now let's set this aside and move on over to our cheesecake batter. Now guys, we're gonna mix our cream cheese, the granulated sugar, and our cornstarch, and we're gonna mix that until it's smooth. So I'm adding raspberry, and this is just to give it that additional flavoring, even though I will be adding raspberry puree. Now guys, occasionally you want to go ahead and scrape your bowl just so that everything is well combined. Now it's time to add our eggs, and you want to add that one at a time. My rum, and as I said, you guys can always go ahead and use white wine, vanilla extract. If you guys have rose water, you can also go ahead and add rose water to it. And here guys, we have our raspberry puree or raspberry sauce. And the color was not given, so I'm gonna add some red food color in. Now I'm just adding just a little drop of that red food coloring. This is a red velvet food coloring, guys. I got this in Bulk Barn. It's so pigmented. If you guys are making red velvet cake, this is perfect for it. Now you want to remove the filling from the mixing bowl and you want to pour the filling into your prepared crust, and I'm going to be baking this for about an hour to an hour and a half. Now in a skillet on medium heat, I add my raspberry, granulated sugar and water. Then I'm going to add that raspberry filling or puree. Then we're going to allow this to reduce. Then we're going to add our cornstarch to thicken it. So now that the sauce is ready, I'm gonna set it aside just to thicken a bit because it is still hot, or you can even do it the night before. So now that our cheesecake is out of the oven and cool, it's time to add our raspberry sauce. Now you wanna pour that all over your cheesecake. Now I'm also going to add back a couple of that raspberry to the top, guys. Now I absolutely love the flavor of the raspberry on the cheesecake. You know, that sweet and slight sour taste. It was so good. My friends loved it. They absolutely loved it. And I hope you guys do. Now guys, I'm just placing mint leaves randomly all over the cheesecake, just some random places, you know. And this is just a little decoration. And yeah, this is actually the end of the video, guys. This is actually the end of the video. This cheesecake was super simple, super easy. As you can see, the ingredients were really minimal. It wasn't like a lot of ingredients, you know. So yeah, just super simple, super delicious, so good. My friends absolutely loved it. You guys have to try this recipe, okay? I love you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.